For what real number value of b is the equation x cubed to the 4th power times x squared to the 5th power is equal to x to the b power squared true? For this question, you're going to have to know a couple of exponent rules. The first one is whenever you raise a power to an exponent, you keep the base and multiply the exponents. And the second rule is that whenever you multiply powers with the same bases, you keep the base and add up the exponents. So first, let's evaluate x cubed to the 4th power. So we use this rule over here. We keep the base of x, and then we multiply the exponents. 3 times 4 is 12. And then we multiply that with x squared raised to the 5th power. We again keep the base of x and then multiply 2 and 5 together. That's 10. And then set that equal to x to the, we multiply the exponents. 2 times b is 2b. And then now we use this rule. Whenever we multiply powers with the same bases, you keep the base and add up the exponents. 12 plus 10 is 22. Set that equal to x to the 2b power. And since the bases of both sides of the equation are the same, we can set the exponents equal to each other. So 22 is going to be equal to 2b. Divide 2 on both sides. b is going to be equal to 11. And that is your answer.